Good evening, Kohima. Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Sri T.R. Jeliang, and my friend, Honorable Minister Tourism, Sri Temjen Imna Along, His Excellency, Mr. Ruben Gauchi, the High Commission of Republic of Malta, and Mr. Raymond Mullen, Deputy Ambassador, Embassy of Ireland, and the Chairman, Aida, and Advisor to Honorable Chief Minister, Sri Abu Mehta, and you all beautiful people assembled today. I'm quite elated to be here amidst you all today. It's my privilege. Otherwise, my Chief Minister was supposed to be here today to be part of this closing ceremony. But you all know that Arunachal, we are having the local body elections. That's Panchayat elections. So Honorable Chief Minister is busy with the Panchayat elections, so I'm representing my Chief Minister here for the closing ceremony. My Chief Minister sends his apology. As we are living in the digital era, he sends 1,000 terabytes of love to Nagaland. And he wished 100 Mbps speed of growth for Nagaland. While we were here today, I'm happy to inform that we had signed an agreement of partnership between the Nagaland and Arunachal Pradesh, and I hope that's going to take both the states to a much higher. We have agreed upon for collabs in various sectors, in music, art, tourism, horticulture, industries, and many more. I think this partnership will bond really, really strong and make both the states surge ahead in every sector we work together. Together we will put up a big show and we will be one of the front runners for the Northeastern state with this kind of partnership. And I hope we will make this bond stronger in coming days. And when it comes to the Hornbill Festival, I must compliment the organizers and the people of Nagaland and the Honorable Chief Minister and all the people who are involved with this festival. It has given a window to the world to see the Northeastern state and especially Nagaland. Not many people know about the Northeastern state, but this kind of festivities, this kind of celebration, which showcases the art, culture, the indigenous lifestyle, and the colorful people and the festivity, it has created a lot of buzz at the national and international level, and people have started the Northeastern state. And this kind of ties with different state partners will make it more vibrant, more visible to the rest of the world. So I'm very, very thankful for choosing Arunachal as the state partner for this year. And on behalf of the Chief Minister, I would like to thank Honorable Chief Minister Nagaland and the entire people who are involved in this festival for making Arunachal part of this festival. We are really, really thankful from the core of our heart. Once again, I would like to thank you all from the deepest core of my heart on behalf of my Chief Minister and on behalf of people of Arunachal Pradesh. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.